Friends, welcome to Scholars Mate. Today we are going to learn about what is linear equation. So, first of all, let's discuss about linear equation. What is linear equation? Okay, the equation, the equation which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called linear equation. Linear equation. So this type of equation is called linear equation. The equation which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. There is a condition which must be satisfied, that ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is said to be linear equation if a square plus b square does not equal to 0. That means a or b cannot be 0 simultaneously, or we can say in same time a or b can't 0, or if a equal to 0, if a equal to 0, then by plus c equal to 0 is a linear. If b equal to 0, then ax plus c also a linear. But when both a and b are equal to 0, then ax plus by plus c equal to 0 have no result. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 has no result, because if I put a equal to 0, then ax will be vanished. If I put b equal to 0, then by will be vanished. Then if both a and b are uh, mentioned as 0, then result is c equal to 0, which is not possible. May be possible, but it is not a linear equation. So ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a linear if satisfied condition is a square plus b square does not equal to 0. Clear? Then example, there is few example here. Example, suppose 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0, x minus y equal to 0. Suppose x plus 3 equal to 0, y plus 2 equal to 0, y equal to minus 7, etc. These are the examples of linear equation. Okay, then question is why these equations why these equations are called linear, are called linear. Why these equations are called linear? These equations are called linear. We can answer this question by graphing or plotting these equations graph in a paper. Okay, let's first understand they are graphical representation or geometrical representations of these equations. What does this equation means? Okay, so let's graph. So I have to add another page. Okay, suppose here is the equation. Suppose x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Here is the equation. If I manage it in such a way, y equal to x plus 2. Clear? If x equal to 0, then y equal to 0 plus 2 means 2. If x equal to 1, then y equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3. If x equal to minus 1, then y equal to minus 1 plus 2 equal to 1. Okay. We have studied it in ninth class. Okay, x, y, values are 0, 1, 0, 2, then 1, 3, then minus 1, 1, another value we have to add. Suppose if x equal to 2, then y will be how much? 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So x equal to 2, then y equal to 4. If I draw here x-axis, x dash x-axis, then y-axis will be perpendicular to it, then y-axis. Here the point is origin, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have to plot the other pairs points 0, 2. Here is point 0, 2. Here is 1, 3 and minus 1, 1 and 2, 4. In graph, this 0, 2 is called as x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, 0, 2. 0, 2 means x equal to 0, y equal to 2. Okay, here is a mistake. Here is a mistake. Downward y axis is negative, upward y axis is positive. Okay, so first point is 0, 2. 0, 2 means x equal to 0, y equal to 2. That means this point coordinate is 0, 2. Then 1, 3, 1, 3. This will be the point 1, 3. Then minus 1, 1. X equal to minus 1, y equal to 1. Then here will be the point minus 1, 1. Then 2, 4, x equal to 2, y equal to 4. Then here will be the point 2, 4. Clear? I hope all understand it. Then if we connect these 4 points, then there will be a line. There will be a line. This line represents the equation x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. That means the points which are on this line are satisfying the condition x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Clear? All the points present on this line satisfying the condition x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Among them 0, 2, 1, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 4 are also x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. So, here x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is an equation, but we can say it that it is the unique identity, of points, unique identity of points, those points, those points, those points which are satisfying x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So, the graphical representation of x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 is a line, is a line. Okay. So, again, if I draw another equation, suppose x equal to 3. X equal to 3 means, so what is the value of y? That means if only x equal to 3 is given as an equation, then y belongs to R. So, x equal to 3 line and y belongs to R. X equal to 3, here is x equal to 3. Y belongs to R means y can changes its value. So, y may be 1, y may be 2, y may be 0, y may be minus 1, okay, but x will be constant. So, the graph will be here, This line represents x equal to 3, okay, this line represents x equal to 3. So, x equal to 3 line is also a line, okay. So, ax plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a linear equation, and its graphical, or we can say geometrical representation will be a line, clear? Plan बुझिएला. Then what is solution of a linear equation? What is solution of a linear equation? You may write this. What is solution of a linear equation? The coordinates of a point which satisfies the equation is called as a solution of that equation. Okay. Suppose, let's take an example. Suppose x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is a linear equation. Here, if I put x equal to 3 and y equal to 5, then what happened? What happened to it? Then it will be 3 minus 5 plus 2. That means minus 2 plus 2, that equal to 0. That means LHS equal to RHS. That means we can say that this equation satisfies if x equal to 3 and y equal to 5. That means the coordinates will be 3, 5. 3, 5 is a point which satisfies x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 equation. So it is a solution of that equation, of this equation. Okay. If there is two equations, suppose x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 and x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. X minus y plus 2 equal to 0 has so many solutions. So many solutions. Why? Because there are so many points present on it. In same way, x plus y minus 3 have so many solutions. So many solutions because so many points present on x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 line. Okay. But x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 and x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, these two equations have may have common solution, may have common solutions. Okay, that common solutions of these two equations are called solution of linear pair. Linear pair. That means here x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 is one linear equation. X plus y minus 3 equal to 0 is second linear equation. And we can say this, that it is a pair of equation. It is a pair of linear equation. Okay. If pair of linear equation has solution, then it is said to be consistent. Said to be consistent. If there is no solution, then it is said to be inconsistent. Inconsistent. Okay, clear? So what is consistent? What is inconsistent? Consistent means there is solution. Inconsistent means there is no solution of the pair of linear equation. Okay. If I draw the relation between pair of linear equation in a graph, then the pair of linear equation form in such a way. Suppose it is line 1 and this is line 2, and here line 1 and line 2, and here line 1, line 2. Okay. Condition number 1, condition number 2, condition number 3. If I draw two linear equations or a pair of linear equations in a graph paper, then the two lines may be intersect 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 each other in a single point, may be coincident, may be parallel, may be parallel. Okay. If they intersect each other in at a single point, at a single point, then solution is 1. That means this point of intersection is called the common point and this is called the solution. Okay. If the two lines are coincident, then there are so many solutions. There are so many solutions as there are so many common points. Okay. But if the two equations are parallel to each other, then what happens? There is no solution. No solution. Clear? So the first two conditions, here is single solution, single point, single common point means solution is 1, and here solution is infinite. These two cases are called consistent. But the case number 3 is called inconsistent. As these two lines have no solutions. Okay. Thank you पिलामाने. Next class पुणी भेट हबो. Meet you again soon. Thank you.